exclusive subdivision with 24-hour security service, centralized water supply system, tree-lined on concrete roads, parks, picnic areas, and other amenities in close proximity to educational institutions, business districts, commercial establishments, a 30-minute drive to Clark International Airport. This flood-free environment is in the heart of Angeles City. Well, this property is built on a 176 square meter lot area and 111 floor area. The facade shows its modern industrial rustic design from its color combinations, lights, and of course the wall claddings, landscaping, and its elevated design. And since it's on a corner lot, it is very spacious. Hi! So as you enter our pedestrian gate, you will be welcomed by our cement finish wall accent with groove lines and rustic themed wall claddings, and of course, our adjustable wall LED lamps. Let's go. So first, I'll show you our carport. Yan. So it's made for 2 cars, and it's very spacious. Ayan. So made for 2 cars, but still spacious for 2 cars. Carport with access to our dirty kitchen, which we will be showing you later. So now, ayan, maluwang siya. We have our wall accent here. If you can see, yeah, we have our wall paint there that gives accent to our carport. Our cove lights. Ayan. Now let's look at our porch. And our porch is elevated, so it has 2 steps. This is our porch. And from here, you can still see na yung rustic themed na industrial design niya. So yung color, we have our black, if you can see our door, we have the black and brown color. Tapos even yung ating landscaping, medyo modern rustic pa rin yung design niya. We have our plant box, and I would just like to show you this. This is a clear glass reflective mirror. So it's a one-way mirror wherein, so when you look from here, it's a mirror, pero sa loob, nakikita mo yung sa labas. It gives, natural light during the day, so tipid siya sa kuryente, and also, you can see nga, yung tao from the outside. So, come on, let's go. There, so as you enter, you can really feel the industrial feels, no? Yung industrial vibe of the house. So as you enter, yung color niya, we have wall accent. So these are wood accent. We have our rustic themed cladding sa taas. Tapos we have our walls na ang color niya is black. Okay, dark. Ayan. So we have woods all over the property. So ito ang ating TV rack. We have our storage. Okay. So dito naman, this is the window overlooking our pool. Ayan, which we'll be showing you in a bit. Ayan na. Yung ating tiles naman, rustic siya. So, cement finish. Ayan. Hindi siya madulas. So, very rustic. And we have this wood accent that also serve as the division from our living area to our dining area and to our kitchen. But before that, let me show you our first full bath. Come on. So, this is our bathroom 1, which is a full bath. So, when we say full bath, ayun po. It has a shower area. Rustic pa rin. So we have our cement finish pa rin yung ating mga wall tiles. So this is a tempered partition. Tapos yung ating shower, it's black. Ayan. Tapos yung faucet natin, black din siya. This is hot and cold ready. So it is wood finish but still rustic. We have our niche. Ayan. Tapos yung ating lighting, it's indirect light to add drama and to add emphasis on the walls na nagbibigay ng, diba, yung color niya nagbabounce from the wall. Ayan. So here, this is our mirror. Okay, so medicine cabinet din as well. Ayan. We have our sink. So our black faucet. Tapos granite, we have our storage. Ayan. So next to our first bathroom is of course our first bedroom. So we have 1 bedroom sa ating ground floor. Come in. So there. Ang ating tiles, still cement finish pa rin siya. Tapos we have this accent. A dark paint wall accent. So next, right next to our bedroom 1 is our dining area. So this is our dining area. So from here, so kanina di ba nasa living area tayo? So from there, after nung ating division, ang ating floor na, iba na yung tiles natin. So wood na dito, but still, of course, industrial design. So this is our dining area, which is good for 6 to 8 table. Ayan. Dining table. And it's overlooking our pool. Ayan. So papakita natin yung pool maya-maya after natin sa kitchen. Pero from there, nakikita nyo na siya, di ba? And you can hear the waterfalls. Next to our dining area is our kitchen. Okay, so we are now in our formal kitchen. Ayan. So this is our kitchen island with breakfast nook. Jet black ang color natin dahil nga industrial design. So you can put 2 stools here. Tapos, we have our preparation area. And let me just mention our incandescent design LED drop lights. Ayan. So ano yan? LED sila, kaya hindi pa rin sila makonsumo sa kuryente. Ayan. Kasi it adds, diba? It adds the rustic feels talaga dito sa ating breakfast nook. Okay, so as you can see, our cabinets, we have black knobs. Tapos yung ating countertop, jet black din siya. Jet black din dito. Tapos we have our wood. Tapos yung mga wood natin na mga cabinets, storages natin, mapapansin nyo, compared to our previous properties, darker yung color ng cabinets natin. Ayan. Mas dark yung color niya. Tapos we have our task lights, of course. Itong ating splashboard, kung titignan nyo, hindi siya mukhang splashboard kasi ano siya, cement finish siya, but still splashboard yan. So madali pa rin siyang linisin. Then we have our double bowl stainless sink, which has a black faucet. Ayan. So black yung faucet natin. Siyempre, para sa rustic feel natin. Okay. So, from here, from our dining area, papakita natin kung paano yung walkthrough natin going to our pool. So, dito, alright, it has an extension, palabas, to our natural wall design. Ayan. So, like for example, you have a small gathering, pwede ka rin maglagay ng table dito, extension from your dining area, and, ayan, we have our textured wall, of course, with black color para sa ating industrial design. And, we'll show you na our pool. Ito na yung ating pool. Our pool, of course, we have our stones. We have our waterfall. We have our plants. Tapos, we also have our LED lamps there. Mga LED lamps natin. So, from here, if you would see from this position, doon natin makikita, that way goes to our mini garden and our porch to the entrance. So let me just give you a view of our pool. Ayan, so from our dining area, di ba, lalabas ka, tapos makikita mo yung pool. Dito naman po yung ating shower area. So we have our shower area here, and we have our powder room. So pag powder room, it's also half bath, so wala tayong shower area kasi nasa labas ng shower area natin. Ayan. Pebbles po yung ating floor para hindi madulas, and of course, because of the design. Ayan. So pagdating natin dito, nandito yung ating laundry area. So laundry area natin, of course, we have sockets, we have our faucet, tapos we have our sink here. Ayan, storages dito rin. Nandito yung isang CCTV camera. Ito naman, this is a passageway going to our dirty kitchen or our service kitchen. So, as you enter, ito na yung ating service kitchen. So, we have our cabinets, still black. Of course, ang knobs natin black pa rin. Ang sink natin, even if stainless yung sink natin, hindi siya gunmetal ang color. Yung namang granite natin, tignan mo yung color niya, it's dark. Tapos, black yung ating cabinets. Okay. So, from my right, dito na yung ating formal kitchen. Ayan. Tapos, as you go through this passageway, we have our pantry. Tapos ito, access door to going to our carport. Ayan. So, meron tayong provision dito for storage natin. Kung gusto nyo maglagay ng cabinet here, para sa ating mga gamit, diba? Storage, or you can put some you know, hanging some stuff here, pwede rin yon. Ayan. Okay. So, pasok na tayo. Tapos, tignan na natin yung ating second floor. So, from our service area, going to our formal kitchen, papasok. Ayan. So, yun yung access natin, ha. Ito yung ating bedroom 1. Ito yung ating full bath 1. I would like to show you our staircase. It's open stringer. Ayan. So, you could also put some stuff doon. Gusto nyo rin siyang gawing cabinet. Pwede rin sa baba. So, ayan. Open stringer, and I'll see you on the second floor. Let's go. Okay, so before tayo umakyat sa ating second floor, I would like to give emphasis to our U-shaped tempered glass window. Ayan. It gives natural light. So during the day, hindi mo kailangan mag-turn on ng lights mo kasi we have, yan nga, our U-shaped tempered glass. You have an option to put blinds, guys. Okay? So pwede mo lagyan yan ng blinds. Kung ayaw mo nakikita sa labas, of course, pwede yon. But then, kapag morning, pwede mo naman itaas yung mga blinds mo para pumasok yung ating natural light. Okay, so we are now going to our second floor. And our second floor, ang una nating makikita is our entertainment area, our family area. So, pwede yan. Pwede rin siyang gym area if you want. Yan. Tapos ito, overlooking. Titignan mo siya, sobrang presko. Pag binuksan mo to, ayan. Pwede itong entertainment area, gym area, family area. And next to it is our balcony. So, I forgot to mention earlier that ang property natin is actually a morning sun property. Ayan. So, ganun siya kaganda. Pag umaga, papasok yung araw. Tapos pag hapon, sobrang presko. Ayan. Morning area siya. Tapos one of my favorite pa dito sa property na to is you can see Arayat view. So doon, nakikita nyo yung bundok Arayat, Mount Arayat. Ayan. Sobrang presko talaga dito. Ayan. So dito makikita nyo, papakita sa mga montage natin yung ating wood ceiling accent. Ayan yung ating mga lamps. Tapos dito from here, dahil glass to, nakikita nyo sa kabila yung balcony ng ating master's bedroom na pupuntahan natin mamaya. Ang presko pagapon. So, let's go. Punta na tayo sa ating bedroom 2. So, ang bedroom 1 natin nasa ground floor. Ang ating bedroom 2, next to our family area, we have our bedroom 2. Aircon is included, guys. I forgot to mention, sorry. Bedroom 2. Ayan. So, can you feel the industrial vibe? Kasi yung mga lights natin, these are COB LED lights. Ayan. Yan yung mga lights na ginagamit para sa mga industrial design. Kasi medyo dim, na warm, na ayun nga. Tapos from here, ito ang ating bedroom 2. Bedroom 2 is overlooking our pool. Tapos malaki yung window natin. May window ka dito, may window ka dito. So, presko siya. Ayan. Tapos meron tayong cement finish wall accent. And let's go to our bedroom 3. Let's go. Bedroom 3 is just few steps away from bedroom 2. Okay, so supposedly this cabinet, dito siya dapat. Okay, so we're doing some paintings kasi nga 98% finish pa lang yung property. So may mga finishings pa tayo. So the built-in cabinet should be placed here. Tapos ito yung ating cement wall finish ng accent natin. So we have a huge window dito. Tapos COB LED lights din tayo, katulad nung sa kabila. So we have built-in cabinets. Tapos yung ating floorings, we have our wood tile floorings. Textured, hindi rin siya madulas. Let's go. So next to our bedroom 3 is our common bathroom. This is our second full bath. Okay? So pagpasok mo, ayan. Hindi siya katulad nung design nung sa baba. Diba? Ayan siya. There's a tempered glass partition still, pero iba yung design niya. So this is more like a, parang square type siya. Yung sa baba kasi rectangular siya eh. This one is square type. So we have still black pa rin yung ating shower area, hot and cold ready, rustic pa rin yung ating cement wall finish pa rin siya kahit na wood siya. Ang ating floorings, ganyan din. Tapos we have indirect lights pa rin, COB LED lights. We have our medicine cabinet, of course, with mirror. Ayan. Tapos yung ating granite na storage meron tayo dito. Tapos black yung ating faucet. So this is our second full bath. And next to our second full bath, of course, ang ating master's bedroom. So this is our master's bedroom. Ayan. Siyempre, master's bedroom bigger. Ito yung ating cement wall finish, wall accent. Aircon is included. Also, this is our control area para sa ating CCTV camera, which doesn't have table na. Diba? Usually, pag may CCTV control area, meron siyang table. So, this one, naka-bracket na siya sa wall. Tip-tipid sa space. And mas maganda siyang tignan. So, pakita ko na siguro yung ating balcony habang maliwanag pa. Let's go. So, this is our balcony. Balcony ng ating master's bedroom. Mas malaki siya dun sa balcony ng family area kanina. But still, you can see pa rin dito yung Mount Arayat. Diba? Ayan. So, makikita mo yung mga, yung mga wood accent natin. Yung ating mga LED lamps. Tapos yung ating industrial themed claddings. Ayan. Tapos dark color pa rin siya dahil industrial nga. Tapos yung ceiling natin, nandyan yung wall accent natin sa ating ceiling. Ang laki niya, pwede ka maglagay ng ng table, ng swing. Kasi nga presko siya sa hapon dahil nga morning sun tayo. So pag hapon, presko siya. Wala tayong init dito pag hapon. Ayan. Ito naman, overlooking naman siya dun sa ating entrance. So sa ating landscape, garden. Tapos ayun nga, makikita mo yung ating family area. Alright, so I'll show you more of the features of our master's bedroom. Pagpasok mo dyan, makikita mo yung laki niya. Okay, so let me close the door. Pasok tayo sa ating walk-in closet. Parang ito yung inaabangan ng mga viewers, no? Yung walk-in closet ng mga master's bedroom. So ito yung ating walk-in closet. Like I have said, ayan, black yung knobs natin. Tapos yung mga wood natin is darker compared to the ones that we featured before dahil nga industrial design. So, dito. Tapos, part dito, meron tong mga storages for your bags. Your shoes, pwede rin dyan. Meron tayong mga drawers dito, sa part na to. So, ito yung ating mga built-in cabinet. Tapos, this one is a provision for a vanity mirror, a dresser. Kaya, meron kang socket for your blow dryer, for your lamps. Yon. Tapos, next to it is our master's bathroom. So, your master's bathroom still, it's bigger than the first two. Tapos yung shape niya is like, parang square siya pero mas siya, mas malawak siya. So pagpasok mo, we have our enclosed shower area, still wood finish but rustic pa rin siya, cement finish. We have our black shower. Ayan, hot and cold ready of course, your niche. So it's enclosed. Ayan siya. Ayan. So dito naman, ang ating toilet. Meron siyang accent dito na pwede mo lagyan ng halaman. You can put some pots here. Yan. Or pwedeng medicine, or magazine storage. Pwede rin dyan. Tapos dito yung ating sink. Of course, ito yung ating black faucet. Tapos meron tayong medicine cabinet. Ayan. 2-door siya kasi mas malaki. There you go. So ito ang ating master's bathroom. Ayan. Meron tayong cove lights pa rin. Tapos yung mga COB natin na mga LED lights, nandyan pa rin siya para may effect. So this is our master's bathroom. This is our walk-in closet. So this is our master's bedroom. And let us go back to the ground floor for our recap. Let's go. And that ends our house tour on this modern industrial design 2-story house and lot in Angeles City. Again, it's 98% finished and our target completion date is by the end of December 2021. So first, let us start again with our community. It is located in an exclusive subdivision with 24-hour security service, centralized water supply system, tree-lined on concrete roads, park, picnic areas, and other amenities. It is in close proximity to educational institutions, business districts, commercial establishments, and a 30-minute drive to Clark International Airport. Again, this location is flood-free. Okay, so it is built on a 176 square meter lot area, a 211 square meter floor area. This property has the following. It has a 2-car carport with storage area provision, a landscape garden, and our ground floor features are the following. We have our guest room, a common full bathroom, our living room, of course, our dining room, which is overlooking our swimming pool that also has its shower area and its powder room. We have our kitchen, our formal kitchen, and our service area, or our dirty kitchen. We also have our laundry area. All right, and our second floor has the following: 2 common bedrooms with shared common toilet, 1 full bath, a master's bedroom with walk-in closet and its own toilet and bath, with walk-in closet that also has a provision for your vanity mirror. Okay, we have our family or our entertainment area, which can also be your gym area, and this is next to our balcony. We have 2 balconies. Our first balcony is next to our family area, and our second balcony is in our access way is from our master's bedroom. Okay, so the property includes all air cons that you've seen during the house tour, and also, of course, the CCTV system. There you go. So whoever is interested, so anyone who's interested, please don't hesitate to contact us. Again, we are Blueprint Properties Pampanga, and we are in partnership with RNW Realty, your real estate depot, also here in Pampanga. So you can reach us through their website, that is www.rnwrealty.com, their Facebook page, that is RNW, and their Instagram account, that is RNW. So we are Blueprint Properties Pampanga. You can reach us through this YouTube channel. Ayan, we would also like to say thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. And we do appreciate all your comments and your suggestions. Thank you so much. So we have here on the description our contact details. And we also have our Facebook page. So that is Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Alright, so again, this property is built by our team and designed by one of our architects, Kimberly Ann De Jesus from Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. Thank you so much, and this has been your host, Anna, for Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks. Happy holidays. Let's go!